Dear students, now we will start determinants chapter. This determinants is the fourth chapter in NCERT class 12 syllabus. Okay. See, this determinants chapter or determinants are related with matrices only. Matrices. Okay, matrix already we have finished. That is why we have come to determinants. Okay. See, for comparison or for seeing similarity or difference, first let us understand recap of this matrix. Then we will write here determinant. Let us write here matrix and determinant here. Okay. See, unlike matrix or matrices, determinants is not a only representation. Determinants is an operation that you have to keep in our mind. Okay. Matrix is not an operation. Again, in matrix, algebra is there, matrix operations. But determinants, normal, single determinant is itself is an operation. Okay. Let us see. And with matrix only, determinant is going to come. Okay. Okay. Let us see what is matrix. First we will write here, then we will write determinant here, then we can understand easily. Okay. See, this is matrix. Okay. And this is determinant. Okay. You see, matrix if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, this, then determinant is equal to -2. Okay. You understand? 1, 2, 3, 4 in matrix, you can represent in determinant -2. How it has come? Let us understand the concept. Okay, then you can understand. Okay. See here, matrix or matrices normally representation of numbers or functions in a rectangular array. Rectangular array. Okay. See, this matrix may be 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, up to our limitation. Okay, even 1 by 4 also. But we will study up to 3 by 3. That is why. 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3. 3 by 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 3. See, for our study's sake, I can say there are approximately 9. See, for addition, subtraction, we have seen even 2 by 4 also, I suppose, in our class. Okay, for addition, subtraction. But multiplication and inverse and all, 3 by 3 is maximum for our NCERT. See, such type of 9 types of matrices we have seen. Okay, matrix. Okay. But this is not the case of determinant. Determinant is only for square matrices. Or I can say only. Determinants are only for square matrices. That means limitation what will be there here? Limitation is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. That's all. Okay. Limitation is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Why? Because these 3 types of determinants only we are going to study. But matrices we have seen, several types of matrices we have seen. Order. This is called order. Here order. Okay. See, here order you have to represent with. See, first how we are representing here matrix. Matrix we will represent like this. Capital A is for matrix. Small a for element. And small a ith row, jth column. And you have to represent within this bracket. And even you can write m by n. Order also. Okay. Or else you can represent a, m by n. Or else simply you can represent a. All are okay. Even if you write a also, that is a matrix. A suffix m by n. Actually m into n, but you have to call it as m by n. This is also a matrix m into n order. And like this also you can put. This is purely what we can say technical representation. Aij inside the bracket m by n. Okay. See, such type of representation we will do in matrix. Okay. Now how to represent determinant then? You see, determinant also like this, 2-3 types are there. You see how I am writing. Okay. Determinant det parenthesis A, capital A. Det parenthesis, that means small bracket you have to keep, or else you can keep like this. This is not modulus. You keep in your mind. Why? Because see inside modulus capital A comes means that is determinant, you think. Okay, this is not modulus, this is determinant. Okay, or else you can represent delta also. Delta is determinant. There are three types of representation you can do, but which is more popular? More popular is center one. This center one. Okay, you have to keep only lines. Only lines, and in between you can keep this. But like matrix, in between can we show these elements also? Definitely we can show. See, this matrix I am showing like this implies determinant A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you understood now? See, this is determinant, this is matrix. You see, matrix A is equal to 1 by 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is under bracket. Even matrix also we have understood, or we have studied that matrix should be inside brackets only, not parentheses, not braces. Okay? Brackets only. Inside lines. Like modulus only, but this we should not call as modulus. Okay? See, representation. Capital A inside lines and vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are also inside A. See, merely showing this is not going to serve for determinant. Determinant operation is there. I said determinant is not only simply representation. Determinant is an operation. Okay. What is that operation? Let me tell you. See how you take this 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally you take, you see, normally you take, say A is equal to, normally how you are taking A11, A12, A21, A22. Is it okay? Okay. See, what is the value finally? Operation, or else you can say operation. Value or operation. Final value. See, if you do operation, then only value will come. Okay, you see, value will come. You see what I am doing now? That is equal to 1, see, A11 into A12, AD, or else simply you do like this. A, B, C, D, that is equal to AD minus BC. Because remembering of this is very easy. A, B, C, D, if you write A, B, C, D, AD minus BC, AD minus BC. Okay? This will be very easy. If you follow this, what will come here? You tell me AD 1 into 4 minus BC 2 into 3. That is equal to 4 minus 6. That is equal to minus 2. Is this one? Okay, now you understand. Now see, determinant is value of a matrix. Understand? Value of a matrix. That means operation we will do determinant. Determinant is different from matrix. Matrix for making any operation, whether scalar may be there or else another matrix has to come to operate. K into A. That means that operation will come. And A into B, another matrix has to come. A, B, then only multiplication. A plus B, another matrix, B has to come. But determinant is not like that. If you give one matrix A, then the determinant directly you are going to make operation and you are going to give the value, determinant value. Okay. Representation of these three, det A or this one determinant A or delta. But you take delta, sir, this one. Determinant A, this very popular. This is very popular. Why? Because see, elements all you have to, even though you write this or this, but elements you have to take in between like this only. Elements, we should not take like this. Bracket and determinant both are different. Matrix and determinant both are different. Okay, representation also. Okay, now you understand na? Such type of all matrices doesn't have determinant. Determinant comes from matrix only. You have seen na? Here A matrix is there. The from that determinant I have derived. You understand now? Okay. Let us see. Broadly we have seen 2 by 2, but still 2 are there, 1 by 1 and 3 by 3. But now before going 3 by 3, first we see 1 by 1 determinant. How to do this value? Why? Because 2 by 2 you understand easily. AD, you see, 2 by 2 means only 4 elements will be there. A, B, C, D, AD minus BC, that's all. Whatever may be, minus into operation, whatever may be function, whatever it comes. Normally, real number or complex number will come. Okay, but matrices we have not studied, complex number will come like. But here determinants he has told that numbers or real numbers or complex numbers will come like. Okay, okay. Let us see when it comes. Then we will do at the time complex numbers also. But in matrices numbers are functions like he told. But in determinants what he has told, numbers are complex numbers. Real numbers are complex numbers like telling. But complex numbers not yet come. Trigonometric functions also not yet come. If it comes, then we will do it. Okay. But you understand with first real numbers, then we can apply this real numbers to complex numbers also, trigonometric functions or whatever may be the functions. Why? Because operation will be the same. AD minus BC. If here cos theta, sin theta comes means, see cos theta minus sin theta is there. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Automatically value will be 1. That's all. Like that also we can do. Okay. Okay. Now you see, let us see one by one. Now I want to remove this matrix. Why? Because we already entered the determinants. We have seen the determinant. Let us see one by one. We will study one by one determinant. Okay. You see, one by one means what it will be. Is it like this? Matrix I am talking. One by one matrix is one row, one column, that's all. Okay. Then what will be the equivalent of this equivalent determinant of this matrix? Or what will be the determinant of this matrix? Why there is no wrong. Find the determinant of the matrix A. This is the determinant. Sir, this is the matrix A. Then we find determinant. You see how I am doing? Determinant A is equal to 5. That's all. See, if single element is there, one row, one column, the determinant also the same value. 5 means 5, minus 5 means minus 5, 2 means 2. That's all. Why? Because there is no modulus or something operation. Simply, you need not write again in between like also. Directly you can write 5 value. Okay? See, or else you can write also, that is not wrong. In between also you can write, but you may get, see, single value is there means you may get confusion like modulus. If such numbers are there, then easily you can understand. This is determinant like. If you put here lines, then you may confuse it like modulus. But you can write, that is not wrong. You can write. Now we have seen 1 by 1 and 2 by 2, both. 1 by 1 there is no operation, simply same number we are going to write. If 2 by 2 comes means you have to write AD minus BC will be the determinant. Okay. Before going to 3 by 3 determinant, one small concept is there. Multiplication with scalar concept. Okay. Let us do that multiplication with scalar concept and we will enter 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. We will enter 3 by 3 matrix also, determinant, and we will do 1 or 2 examples. Then we will close this class. Next class directly we will go for exercise 4.1. Okay. Okay. Let us see. One small concept is there. Okay. See, if we are in matrices or matrix, say matrix A is same matrix only I am taking. Let us discuss with same matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. and I want to multiply with Ka. Then what will be the answer normally? K, first you write like this, K 1, 2, 3, 4. Next what you are going to do? You are going to do like this, K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Is it correct first? Just yesterday or last class only we have finished matrices. Okay, this is correct. A, Ka. Or AK, not AK, Ka. You can say this is Ka, not AK. Why? Because the order is important. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Ka is K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Why? Because you have multiplied with K. Inside, if it goes automatically, it goes on multiply with each element. Okay. Now rather than K, I will keep 2. 2 only. See here. What about 2A? 2A. Why? Because A is there. See, for same A we are writing. We are matrix. Why? Because for comparison we require matrix. And this concept what I am telling, this is from matrix only it will come. 2A. 2A means, see, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. Is it correct? You understand? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 into, this is 2A. Okay? Okay. Now, shall I write B is equal to 2A? Why? Because this is different. Why? Because see, 2A is different matrix. A is different matrix. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. That is why I can write B is equal to 2A also. I can take this as B also. Okay. Now, based on this concept, we will do one determinant concept. Okay. For same A, you are having what you are having? Determinant -2 is there. Okay. Now I have taken this as B. This is equal to B matrix. Then I will take determinant of this also. Determinant B is equal to, then determinant you are going to keep 2, 4, 6, 8, and you are going to make, see, 2 8s are 16, 8C, AD minus BC, 6 4s are 24. Is it okay? Two 8s are 16, 6 4s are 25. Okay. Now you tell me what will be the answer? -8. Is it correct? -8. Okay. Now see, there is a formula to find how. See, if matrix B is equal to K times A, okay, then determinant B is equal to K to the power of N to, sorry, here determinant you have to take. Determinant A. Determinant B is equal to K to the power of N determinant A. Okay, we have written, but we know only K. K means a scalar, right? K is equal to scalar. Okay. But what about N? We will discuss N also. See, for matrix or matrices, order is M by N. Order is M by N. Why? Because here 1 into 2 will come, 2 into 3 will come, 2 into 2 will come, 3 into 3 will come. Like that, etc. will come. But what about order of determinant? 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Why? Because we said determinants are only for square matrices. Square matrices only having determinant, like that we have said. Then why we call again M by N? We call only 1. Order 1 means 1 by 1. Order 2 means 2 by 2. Order 3 means 3 by 3. That's all. Here N is order. Okay. Unlike matrix, In matrix order is m by n. Why? Because here both are different. Both may be different or same. But here both are same. That is why you need not keep n by n, m by n. M by m or n by n. That is why you keep only n. N is order. Where what is this here? Order. Okay. Now apply it for this. Okay. Now you see B is equal to 2a. Is it okay? 2a is equal to b we have taken. Now determinant b is equal to k. K is what? 2. Order is what here? 2 by 2 matrix is there. 2 by 2. Determinant a. Determinant a is what? Minus 2. That means 4 into minus 2. That is equal to minus 8. You understand now? This is the concept. You have to understand this. Okay, why? Because based on this concept also, objective question also may come, subjective question also may come in your examination. Okay. Matrix they will give, and 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 they are going to tell. 1 by 1 normally they don't give. 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix they give, and they give k. Sorry. K. Why? Because 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 is n only. Here n they give and k also they give. Matrix A is 3 times the matrix B. I will remove here. Okay, this practically you have seen. Okay, practically you have seen. Let us say matrix A is 3 times B. Okay, and 3 by 3 or order 3 like they tell. Third order. What is the determinant A? Like they ask. Okay. See here, K is 3 and order n is also 3. Okay. Then determinant A is equal to k to the power of n determinant B. And you see A is bigger here. A is equal to KB. Okay. Now what will happen? Determinant A is equal to K is what? 3. N is 3. Determinant B. That is equal to 27 determinant B. Determinant A is equal to 27 determinant B. This will be the answer. Like this you are right. You understand? See, at least one smaller one determinant you have to find in this process. Small determinant you have to find. Then you can write. Or else they give big determinant and they ask you to find this small determinant. Like this also you can find. Why? Because see, determinant is a final value. Then you can divide. But matrix you cannot divide directly. But determinant you can divide. See, final value I am talking. Say if they give determinant A is 81. Then they will ask you to find determinant B. Then you know this formula. 81 is equal to 27 determinant B. Now determinant B is equal to 81 by 27. 9 threes, 9 nines, 3 threes. That means 3. How we are able to divide? Because determinant final value you can divide. That is not a problem. Determinants directly you are not dividing. Matrices you are not dividing directly. Scalar you are able to divide in matrix. Why? Because if you want to divide with a scalar 5, then into 1 by 5 if you make, then you are going to divide like. Okay, this is one concept. Now we have seen how to represent a determinant from matrix, and what are conditions. Only square like we have seen. Order also we have seen, and 1 by 1 matrix determinant from 1 by 1 matrix we have seen. Determinant from 2 by 2 matrix also we have seen. Let us see 3 by 3 determinant from matrix. Okay. Okay, see here, this is a 3 by 3 determinant. See, determinant like this we have written means we have not yet to find the value. We have to find value also. Determinant is itself a value, I already told. Symbol is like this. In between lines, A, capital A, in between lines, these elements will come. See, these elements, why I have written means, before proceeding for 3 by 3, we call it as expansion by row or expansion by column, we tell, but we will tell afterwards. We require signs. Signs are symbols. Those are very important. I am writing here like this. You see, signs are symbols. What are those symbols or signs? Positive or negative? Negative sign, positive sign, negative symbol, positive symbol. Okay, these are very important to find. Okay, how to find? You see here, let us take this element A11. A11, how it will be? A11 will be minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into A11 you have to take. See, for normal sake, A11 will be, say A11 is minus 2. Let it be minus 2 only. But for finding the determinant, this A11, even though it is minus 2, but before that, plus or minus you have to take. What you have to take under depends on like this formula. Minus 1 whole power I plus j. What is I? I is 1. What is j? J is 1. You see, ith row, jth column. Ith row, first row, jth column, first column. Okay? Okay, A11. Then what will come? Minus 1 whole power 2, A11. Minus 1 whole power 2 means even number. If minus 1 whole to the power of even number means plus will come. That means this is plus A11. That means you have to remove this. Plus of minus 2. If A11 is minus 2. Why? Because this may be minus 2 or minus 6 or whatever it may be. We don't know. When it comes real numbers. Okay. That means here you have to take plus 1. Plus symbol you have to take. You understand? Okay. Now, let us see this 2, 3. A, 2, 3. What will come for symbol? For symbol sake I am telling. That is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 into A, 2, 3. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 5. A, 2, 3. You see, minus 1 to the power of 5 means 5 is an odd number. See, minus 1 to the power of 4 means 1 will come. But again you are multiplying with minus 1. That means minus 1 is going to come. That means minus 1 means you have to take minus A to 3. Minus you are taking means minus 1 into multiplication you are taking. Plus you are taking means plus 1 into multiplication you are taking. Like that you have to think. That means A 2, 3 here, it comes minus. Okay. Like this if you see plus, minus. See these symbols how this comes. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Symbols are signs. Okay. Symbols are signs. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Starting with plus, ending with plus. Total 9 elements are there, we know. 5 elements are plus. Remaining 4 elements are minus. Or else you can remember, in between row 1 and row 2 minus. In between column 1 and column 2 minus. Center of all plus. See, any way you can remember. Or else simply you remember like this. You start with plus. Alternate. Minus, plus. Minus, plus. See, 9 elements are there. First element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element, seventh element, eighth element, ninth element. See, first element is 1. Last element is 9. Both are positive. You see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. That's all. Like that you have to take. Why? Because this symbol or sign is very important for doing this determinant. Why? Because see, we have seen one by one there is nothing to do. Simply you are writing the same matrix, one by one matrix as determinant. Inside the element is the determinant. But 2 by 2 you are doing AD minus BC. That is also not complex. That is very simplex. Okay. AD minus BC determinant you are doing. But 3 by 3 case is not like that. 3 by 3 you have to do expansion. You have to expand by row or column. Okay. Anyway you can do. I am going to tell expansion by R1, but you can do example. See, for generalized form, I am doing expansion by R1. We will take one example. That example we will take expansion by column. Okay, both you can understand row and column. Okay. Now you have seen a symbol how it has come. Why you have to take a plus means you might have seen -1 whole to the power of I plus j. I is 1, j is 1. That is why plus has come. Here minus is come. Why? Because A32. A32 means -1 to the power of 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. -1 to the power of odd number is minus. That is why minus has come. 3, 3. Both addition 3 plus 3 gives 6. 6 is even number. -1 to the power of even number gives positive. Positive 1. Multiplication 1. Okay. See, these are signs. And see how to find this determinant in generalized form. I am telling expanding by row 1. R1 means row 1. See, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. This is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, we know. And also we know operation normally in matrices how we have done? We have done from left to right, top to bottom. This always you keep in your mind. Left to right row, top to bottom column. If you take row, then left to right you have to go. If you take column, then top to bottom you have to come. A13, A23, A33. Like that you have to come. Okay. Now expanding by row 1 means we will take left to right. Okay. Let us see how to do this. Okay. We are doing a determinant expanding by R1. Okay. See how we are doing. That is equal to. First one is, see, we are taking this one. Is it okay? Row 1. Okay. R1 we have written. Okay. What will take first left to right means first A11 you have to take. Okay. I have taken A11. But what will be the symbol for A11? Positive. Then you write positive here. Don't think that positive we did not write, but you make that practice for determinant writing this symbol also, sign also. Okay. Next step you can remove that sign. But here, but in between you have to keep, or else you are going to get confusion. Okay. Then what you have to do? Now this is very crucial step. A11 you have to multiply with what you see. A11 position is what? A11 position is first row, first column. Then you close all this first row, first column. I have closed first column, first row, both. Then what will be the determinant? This will be the determinant. You write that determinant. A22, A23, A32, A33. Is it okay? Multiply first row, first column element with remaining elements. Determinant form you have to write. How to find the determinant? AD minus BC. AD minus BC into this one. That we will write in next step. Okay. So next we have to first finish this step. Okay. See, with first row we have written. See, first column we have written first element. Then what will be the element in R1? Second A12. Okay. Write first A12. A12. But A12 sign is what? Sign is negative. You see. See, these signs also in brain you have to keep in your mind. Always you need not write these signs. Why? Because only 9 are there. Plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus. That's all. Okay? That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Minus I have written. A12 also I have written. Now, what for determine what 4 values I have to take? See, now we are in A12. This I am going to remove. Now we are in A12. A12 means you have to close. See, this is first row, second column. That means second column you have to close. First row you have closed, second column you have closed. What left? A21, A23, A31, A33 left. That's all. Why? Because these you should not take T form or L form or whatever may be the form. Okay? Close. That means A21, A23, write down. A31, A33. A31, A33. Why? Because see, this column and this row, those elements you should not take in determinant. You have to multiply and sign also you have to take. Okay? In next example, we will take by column rather than expansion by column, and this symbol also we are not going to write, directly we are going to write. Why? Because we have to habituate that. Okay. Now see, second one also over, but what will be the next in row? Third one, this one. What will be, first you write this A13. Okay. Now what will be the symbol? Positive. Okay. If A13 already minus is there, then plus you have to write again, minus A13 you have to write. Minus 2 like. Okay. Okay. Now you write a determinant also, determinant elements also here. Okay. What are the elements now? You see, just you remove this. See, A13 row and the column you have closed. Then what left? A21, A22, A31, A32 left. That you write. A21, A22, A31, A32. You understand now? Okay. How have written? That means alternate has come. You see, first row if you take plus minus plus, plus minus plus. Okay. Like that you have to take it. Now you know very well afterwards what you have to do. Okay, that is equal to plus A11 into A22, A33, AD minus BC. A23, A32. Okay, minus A12 into A2, AD minus BC. Okay, again plus A13, A21, A33, A32 minus A22, A31. Is it okay? You understand now? See, this is determinant, final determinant. Why it has not come number means why? Because we have not taken numbers, real numbers. We will take next example, one example. If you take numbers automatically, this finally one number is going to come, one figure. Real number or whatever may be the number or function, whatever it may be. You understand now this procedure? See, this is a generalized form. Now we take one example. Generalized example only. What or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only I am going to write for your understanding sake. And we will expand by column. Now why? Because we have expanded by row. Let us expand it. R1 we have expanded. Shall we expand by column 2 with numbers? Let us do it. Okay. Then you can understand easily. That example we will do now and we will close this chapter class. Next class we will do exercise directly. Okay. Let us do. Okay, see, this is determinant, but we have to find the determinant value. Okay, this is we have just represented. We know very well that plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus will come. We know that in brain only we have to do this calculation. Now what I am going to do, I am going to expand by column 2, C2. Okay, I am writing like this, you see. Expanding expanding by C2. Why? Because R1 we have already seen. We don't do again R1. We will expand now by C2. Okay. Now C2 if you are expanding, how to write? If row is expanding means left to right. Column is expansion means top to bottom. Top to bottom means column to top is what? 2. First write 2. See how I am writing. That is equal to 2. Okay. But these 2, what is the symbol? You see plus, minus, plus. That means here minus is there. Then you write minus. You understand now? Okay. Okay. Write down minus. Minus 2 into. Okay. Now you see minus 2 you are taking. That means minus 2 is in first row. Minus 2 is in first column. Sorry, second column. Okay. See this minus 2 is in first row and second column. That means minus 2. Sorry, this 2. First row, second column you have to close. If you close these two, then what will be left? 4, 6, 7, 9. Right here. 4, 6, 7, 9. You understand now? Why these have come? Okay. Now you see after 2 what will be the value? 5. First you write 5. Then what will be the symbol? You see plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. That means here it is plus. Or else simply you see if first this one minus means next plus, next minus. First plus means next minus, next plus. If you expand this, plus to plus, minus plus. Alternate symbol will come. You see, if you have taken here minus means next plus will come. If number is having minus means minus, that is different case. But this is a operation symbol and inside sign number symbol is different. Okay. Minus plus. Then you write again determinant. Okay. Now second one you have to close. You see second one I am closing. How I am closing? Second row, second column I have closed. That means what left? 1, 3, 7, 9 left. Well, because see, second row, second column, 5 closed. What left? 1, 3, 7, 9. That you write here. 1, 3, 7, 9. That means that if 5 is in second row, second column, then second row elements you have to now you should not take. Second column elements also you should not take. Okay. That means second row 4, 6 are there. 4 should not take. And 2, 8 are there. 2, 8 should not take. Remaining what? 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 3, 7, 9 only you have to take. Like this you have to do. Okay. Now you see we are doing the column top to bottom. After 5 what will come? 8 will come. Okay, 8. But what will be the symbols? You minus, plus, minus. That's all. You did not see again. Minus you have written, plus you have written. Again minus will come. Alternate symbol will come. Okay, what will be the determinant values? This representation. Now this you remove. Okay. Okay, now you see 8 is in third row, second column. Then you close third row, second column. This also with pen and all you did not close. You with brain only. Okay, second row, third row, second column we have closed means 1, 3, 4, 6 will be there. Why? Because elements in third row, second column you should not take. That means 7, 8, 9, 2, 5 you should not take here. What you have to take then left? 1, 3, 4, 6 only left. Then you write 1, 3, 4, 6 only here. Write down 1, 3, 4, 6. You understand now how it has come? Afterwards very easy. Remaining steps. Okay. Remaining step you see what I am doing. Minus 2 into 4 9s are 36 minus 7 6 are 42. 36 42 minus, okay, AD minus BC plus 5 into 9 minus 21, okay, minus 8 into 6 minus 12. Is it okay? Okay, now let us do remaining. See, 36 minus 42 means minus 6. Minus 6, first of all, write minus 6. In next step, we will do it. Plus 5 into 9 minus 21, minus 12. Okay, minus 8 into 6 minus 12, minus 6. Okay, in next step, you write minus 6 into minus 2, plus 12. Minus 60, 5 into 12, plus 64, 48, sorry. Is it okay? 8 6 are 48. Okay. Now you see, plus is how much? 50, 60. 0 will come. 48 plus 2, 50 plus 10, 60. 60 minus 60, 0. That means determinant is 0. You understand the concept? Or else any mistake have you done? I don't know. See, for understanding sake, I have told you. This is a generalized form. Answer may come or may not come. That may be different. But you have to understand the process. How we have taken and done. I might have done mistake here or not. I don't know. Okay. But this is the process you have to follow for doing. Why? Because see, for generalized form, I have explained with R1, row 1. And for practical example, I have explained with column 2, expanding by C2, column 2. Anything you can take. But which one you take, how you are going to decide? One logic is there. You see, in these numbers, if any 0 is there means, see here is 0. Then you take by R1 or C3. Why? Because see, you are going to save one operation. You see, last operation, if you take R1, last operation 0 into something will come. Then you need not do directly 0, you can write. Only you have to do these two operations. Okay. R1 if you take plus 1 into determinant you will take, plus 2 minus 2 into determinant you will take, plus 0 like you write and leave. That's why, because 0 into something whatever you may do, that is 0 only. That means you are going to save one operation. In three operations, one operation you are going to save. That is why prefer where having more zeros. If sometimes here also 0 is there means, definitely you take C3. Why? Because you need not do 0 0. You have to take only C. C number you C symbol you know. Plus minus you are going to take minus 6 into C 0 plus 0 minus 6 into one determinant you are taking, again plus 0 you are going to take. That means 0 0 in between only minus 6 only one operation you are going to take. That means see whether it may come 1 0 or no 0 or 2 zeros. More than 2 zeros doesn't come. More than 2 0 means entire thing is going to become 0. That is not possible. Okay, that you have to keep. Normally concept says you prefer the column or row which is having more number of zeros. More number of zeros means here up to 2 zeros only. 3 zeros won't come. No 0 may come. If any 0 is not there means anything you can take. R1 or R2 or R3. C1 or C2 or C3. If 1 0 is there means you prefer that 0 row or column. If 2 zeros are there means is here R1 you should not take. Why? Because you have to make 2 times calculation. Rather than that, if you take C3, then only one calculation. That's all. Like this you have to do. Okay, now we have understood concept also. How to do determinant of 3 by 3 also. We have seen determinant of 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. All we have seen. We are able to do exercise 4.1. Let us do this exercise 4.1 in next class. Okay. Thank you very much.